25 seconds. Well, shot clock. Nakuha ni sir. Jersey number 63. Pasok ni sir Rubita. Rubita, pumasok. Ulit, 2 points by Mr. Rubita. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds. 15 shot clock. 10-3. Not counted. Who's foul? Foul by Mr. Asparo, jersey number 29. Second personal foul by Mr. Asparo. 1-4 penalty. Last 1 minute and 4 seconds. Amasan. Seconds to play. 55. 50 shot clock. Mr. Flores. Balik, 2 points by Mr.